In today's business, time is a key commodity. Every second counts. Making tower, airfield and gate systems work together is crucial for cutting the time aircraft spend on the ground. With our integrated solutions, airports can handle more aircraft and win more business. Let's see how. Even before an aircraft lands, the best taxi route to its gate has already been set. The pilot is guided by intelligent follow-the-greens lighting. Integrated ATC systems are proven to save 3.5 minutes taxiing time, amounting to 7,300 hours time saved at a typical airport. The position of each aircraft is constantly monitored. Gate crews can see exactly when it will arrive, so they can be ready at the right time. The advanced visual docking guidance system is activated automatically. The aircraft is guided precisely to its stop position. Gate crews swing into action. Baggage is offloaded, passengers leave, and the aircraft is prepared for its next flight. An automatically updated departure time helps gate crews stay on target. This has improved one airport's forecasts of takeoff time by up to 80%. Once the aircraft is ready, ATC gives permission to start engines, push back, and taxi out. Safety is maintained by constant monitoring of all apron movements. The aircraft taxis out to the runway, again guided by follow-the-greens airfield lighting. By letting all the different parts of the airport work together as one, time is saved at every stage of an aircraft's journey, from approach to departure. This increases airport capacity and maintains the highest safety. Airport performance delivered from approach to departure. It's time to integrate. Time to boost airport performance.